शुभोदय। आज की असेंबली 9वीं कक्षा के छात्राओं से किया जा रहा है। तिल हम हैं और गुल आप, यानी हम हैं और मिठास आप। साल की पहली त्योहार से हो रही आज शुरुआत। आपको हमारी तरफ से संक्रांति की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। Thought for the day. Makara Sankranti denotes great planning and happy beginnings. Today's question: what is called Makara Sankranti?
Here is a conversation between two friends about celebrations of Makara Sankranti in school.
Can you see the village atmosphere in my school?
Oh yeah, yes. What a surprise! Oh, total village is in your school.
SJMS is celebrating Sankranti Sambaralu. Will you join in our celebrations?
Of course, why not? May I know the activities that are included in your Sambaralu?
Yes, soon after assembly, we are going to have Rangoli competition.
Rangoli, I love Rangoli. Can I participate in it?
Yes, sure. Can you guess what is next surprising program?
No, I don't know. I'm so excited to see all your celebrations. Don't keep me in suspense.
Okay. Here we are with small huts and our teachers are going to prepare Pongali. And even, Haridasu is also coming to our celebration.
Wow, it's very interesting. And I think grandparents have come to see your celebrations.
You have mistaken. They are our beautiful Josephites who dressed like grandparents to create a village atmosphere.
Finally, what I understood is festival is a tool to bring life to a state of exuberance and enthusiasm, and SJMS is showing that how to use that tool and make a life of celebration.
Yes, SJMS wants to show how celebration can be passage or way to the most profound aspects of life. Thank you. Let's learn something new. Today's topic is about Makara Sankranti. Makara Sankranti is considered to be auspicious and meritorious. It is a harvest festival and is celebrated in many cultural forms with immense devotion, fervor and cheerfulness. The festival is celebrated on 14th January and is possible the only Indian festival. Those dates always falls on the same day each year with just a few exceptions. The festival of Makara Sankranti marks the change of the sun into Makara Rashi on its celestial path. The festival is highly regarded by Hindus from North India to South India. This festival is celebrated for 4 days in Andhra and Telangana. Day 1 as Bogi on 13th January, Day 2 as Makara Sankranti, the main festival on 14th January. Day 3 as Kanuma on 15th January. Day 4 as Mukkanuma on 16th January. The day preceding Makara Sankranti is called Bogi. This is when people discard old and derelict things, causing change or transformation. At dawn, people light a bonfire with wooden furniture that are no longer useful. In many families, infants and children usually are showered with the Indian jujube fruit called Regi Pandu. It is believed that doing this, it protects the children from evil eyes.
Makara Sankranti. The second day is Makara Sankranti. People wear new clothes, pray to God and make offerings of traditional food to ancestors who have died. They also make beautiful and ornate patterns on the ground with a floor called Muggur or Rangoli. They decorate Rangoli with flowers, colors and small hand-pressed pills of cow dung called Gobama.
Kanuma. The third day Kanuma is celebrated. It is very intimate to the hearts of farmers because it is the day for praying and showing their cattle with honor as a symbolic indication prosperity.
Mukkanuma. Mukkanuma is called for celebration with union of families, friends, relatives, followed by fun activities. People do not eat any meat during first 3 days and also only the day of Mukkanuma. On this occasion, in every town and city, people play with kites and the sky is filled with beautiful kites. Children and elders enjoy this occasion. Another notable features of the festival in Andhra Pradesh is the Haridasu, who goes earlier in the morning, sing songs of Lord Vishnu. It is a custom that he should not talk to anyone and only sing songs of Lord Vishnu when he goes to everyone's house. Thank you.